Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about our parliament or parliamentary government, the union legislature. Okay, already we have learned about the fundamental rights and all we have learned. And let us see the parliament or which are the two houses in the parliament related with all this. Now we can learn, and we know that our central legislature or the union legislature is known as the parliament, or the central legislature is known as the parliament, and it is the highest law-making body in the country, or our parliament is the highest law-making body in the country, and it consists of or the parliament or the members of parliament consist of the president of India, or the law-making body consists of the president of India and the two houses. Which are the two houses? The Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. And see, the Lok Sabha consists of, or what is Lok Sabha means, the house of the people. Lok Sabha is the house of the people, and the Rajya Sabha is the council of states. These are the two houses in the parliament. Again, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And see, the members of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha are called the members of parliament. Means the members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are called members of the parliament or the MPs. See, means only we have learned that in parliament both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members are there, and the members of both these members are called MPs or members of parliament. And the parliament holds its sessions, or the parliament holds its meetings at Parliament House. The parliament holds its meeting at the Parliament House, and we know that our parliament is in New Delhi. Everything we know. And see, let us see the Lok Sabha. Now some of the things related with Lok Sabha and the members of Lok Sabha, everything we can know. And the Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament. Already I have told you that two houses are there, means Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, or upper house and the lower house. And the Lok Sabha is the lower house of parliament, and at present it can have up to 545 members. Now the number of Lok Sabha members, that is 545 members. And see, most of the members of Lok Sabha are elected directly by the people, or the members of Lok Sabha are elected directly by the people. And the President of India may nominate up to 2 members from the Anglo-Indian community. Means if enough members are not there, the President has the right to choose or right to elect 2 members from the Anglo-Indian community also. And the Lok Sabha has a term of 5 years. The Lok Sabha has a term of 5 years, and sometimes but it may be dissolved by the president, or the president has the right to dissolve the term of office, and sometimes he has the right to extend also. Sometimes he has the right to dissolve the term, and sometimes he has the right to extend the term also. And means extension during the times of emergency. If any emergency situation is coming, he has the right to extend the term up to, means 1 more year he can extend. And see, who can contest the Lok Sabha elections, or who can stand for elections in Lok Sabha. See, to stand for election to the Lok Sabha, a person or whatever qualifications are needed for standing in the or standing as a candidate in the Lok Sabha elections, means he has to be an Indian citizen. Means the first quality, he has to be an Indian citizen. And see, aged at least 25 years. He has to complete 25 years of age. Then only he has the right to stand, then only he can stand as a candidate for Lok Sabha elections. And see, he should not be bankrupt or mentally unsound, means he should be mentally fit and should not hold any salaried government job. He should not hold any of the salaried job. Those who are standing as a candidate for Lok Sabha elections should not hold any of the government job or should not be bankrupt or mentally unsound, means he should be mentally sound. And see how the elections are conducted. See, or how is the candidates elections conducting, or how they are selecting or electing. Elections to the Lok Sabha are held at least once every 5 years. Means at least every 5 years elections are held. And for the purpose of the elections, the country is divided into as many constituencies as there are seats in the Lok Sabha. Means for the convenience of elections, the country is divided into different constituencies, and the constituencies are created on the basis of population. See, the constituencies are created on the basis of population. So what is happening? More populous states have more seats in the Lok Sabha elections, or more seats in the Lok Sabha. Means if the state, the size of the states is big, then many constituencies will be there. And see, so the most popular states have more seats in the Lok Sabha also. And see, every constituency elects one representative to the Lok Sabha. Means from each constituency one representative should be there, and candidates who contest elections may belong to a political party or be an independent candidate. Sometimes he may be member of any one of the political parties. Sometimes he can stand as an independent candidate. And see, and then what is happening? The candidate who gets the largest number of votes becomes the elected representative of the constituency in Lok Sabha. And see who has the right to put vote, or all Indian citizens aged 18 years of, or those who have completed 18 years has the right to or they can vote. They have the right to put their vote, and in elections to choose their representatives. Means for choosing their representatives, the Indian citizen who has completed 18 years of age has the right to vote. And see, voting is, we know that voting is done directly by secret ballot. Means so what is happening? Nobody will be knowing the candidate or the voter has put the vote to whom, and nobody may not be knowing. Means it should be secret ballot system, and which candidates he or she has voted, means nobody may be knowing whoever got, means we have given the vote to whom. These are some of the things related with Lok Sabha, and the remaining vote related with Rajya Sabha, how elections are held, or who can vote, related to everything we can learn in the next class. Thank you all of you.